A sport in full swing like pickleball, with more and more followers, deserves a list of its best paddles. Pickleball is a sport that's very easy to learn, and the game could be considered a leisure activity or an intense workout, depending on the intensity you put into it. The sport has become a place where neighbors gather to have fun, or top executives discuss financial or business matters. Because of all this, we have specifically selected for you some of the best rackets that currently exist for practicing this sport. These are the top 5 picks we have for you. If you're looking to save money while getting a high-quality product, the Vatic Pro Prism Flash is our top budget pick for 2024. This pickleball paddle enhances your game with its 16mm carbon fiber build, offering incredible control and feel. The fact that it's USAPA approved speaks volumes about its performance. The Vatic Pro Prism features injected foam walls and a unique cold mold design, ensuring superior control and feel without sacrificing power. Unlike traditional thermoformed paddles that often feel too powerful or sandwich paddles that may be too soft, the Prism strikes the perfect balance. The foam walls and polyurethane inserts significantly reduce shock absorption, giving players a responsive and controlled experience. The paddle's unibody construction and larger cross-sectional area ensure even load distribution, providing controlled power at all times. It's no wonder that top PPA professionals prefer the Prism series. One standout feature is its affordability without compromising on quality. The foam edges allow you to place shots accurately, relaunch effectively, and finish points with ease. Plus, the paddle offers durability and a nimble feel, making it easier to maintain a secure grip during intense matches. What sets the Prism series apart is its unique cold forming process. Unlike paddles that rely on intense heat application, the Prism achieves outstanding control and feel without losing power. The injected foam walls are created using less heat, resulting in a unibody construction that enhances the paddle's overall robustness. The Vatic Pro Prism paddle is exceptional for control, letting you hit precise shots. The foam-injected walls distribute the load evenly across a large cross-sectional area, resisting deformation. This means you get controlled power through the entire paddle, even during mishits. Good stuff. If you're just starting out, the SLK Neo 2.0 is the best beginner pickleball paddle set for 2024. It raises the bar in high-end pickleball gear, blending advanced technology and top-notch materials for both serious players and newcomers. This paddle boasts multi-layered graphite and fiberglass combined with an SKS3 honeycomb core, providing unmatched control and power. Designed to elevate any player's game, the SLK Neo 2.0 offers durability and performance that gives you an edge on the court. Praised for its professional quality, this paddle skillfully balances power and precision, making your gameplay dynamic yet controlled. Investing in high-quality materials and cutting-edge tech, this paddle is a game-changer for those aiming to compete at the highest levels. Fans of the SLK 2024 paddles often highlight its perfect balance between lightweight design and structural strength, enhancing both power and ease of maneuverability. The advanced grip technology is another standout feature, offering comfort and slip resistance during intense matches. Plus, its aesthetic appeal and wide range of designs cater to personal taste while maintaining a professional look. Some users have mentioned wanting an even broader selection of grip sizes to accommodate all hand sizes and preferences more fully. Despite this, these paddles are highly regarded among beginners and seasoned players alike for their exceptional performance and quality. The SLK Neo 2.0 is a top-tier choice for anyone new to pickleball. Its innovative design, advanced materials, and superior craftsmanship make it a standout paddle that can help beginners improve their game right from the start. Highly recommended for quality and performance. Introducing the Selkirk Lux Control Air Invikta, our top pick for the best control pickleball paddle in 2024. Ideal for balanced players, this paddle is endorsed by Jack Sock and offers an extended sweet spot, ample power, quick spin, and unparalleled control. The LUXX Control Air Invikta is designed for those seeking consistency without sacrificing power. Its long handle and elongated shape make it perfect for tennis players and aggressive pickleball enthusiasts who need extra range, spin, and power. Weighing between 221 and 229 grams, it's the lightest in the LUXX series, striking a perfect balance between weight and length while maintaining maneuverability. Key to its performance is the patented fluorocarbon material and ProSpin Next Gen textured surface, which together maximize the sweet spot and ease of spin. The paddle's thickest on the market 20mm honeycomb core adds significant control and comfort while also dampening noise. Its dimensions are optimized for all aspects of play. The 42cm length and narrower 19cm surface allow for easy redirecting of rhythm with topspin shots, volleys, serves, and returns. The 13.3cm handle is long enough for both single and double-handed control, enhancing dexterity and versatility on the court. The LUXX Control Air Invikta also features a refined aerodynamic throat, ensuring optimal airflow and improved ball control for a smooth playing experience. Additionally, the 360-degree Proto molding technology provides exceptional power and consistent feel with every shot through a high-pressure manufacturing process. Good stuff. A thumbs up from here. Just a quick note. If you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. The next product we're excited to discuss is the 6-0 Double Black Diamond Control, our pick for the best runner-up pickleball paddle of 2024. This paddle is perfect for players seeking optimal control and a durable textured surface for maximum spin, providing a crisp response that feels like an extension of your hand. The 6-0 Black Diamond series stands out due to its multi-stage cold and hot mold manufacturing process, ensuring top-tier quality and performance. Designed to optimize range and aerodynamics, the paddle's slightly flared shape enhances the sweet spot at the center. One of its standout features is the 700K carbon-textured surface developed by Japan's Torai. This provides exceptional grip, spin, and feel. Multiple interlocking layers add strength, power, and controlled impact. The Carbon Fusion Edge technology boosts durability and responsiveness. By injecting foam and using lightweight carbon stitching that joins the top and bottom, this paddle achieves a cleaner feel and a larger sweet spot radiating around the perimeter. You could choose between a premium 14mm or 16mm honeycomb polymer core, each offering an ideal balance of power and control. The carbon face and edge fusion technology extend along the handle, forged together under heat and pressure in a process known as 3D carbon. This construction reduces vibration, ensuring a comfortable and responsive feel during play. The design allows for optimal flex, enhancing the sweet spot on the paddle handle. The tapered neck and extended 5.5-inch 14cm handle are great for double-handed players. Additionally, the handle features a premium 6-0 perforated leather grip with a 4.25-inch 10.8cm circumference, fitting all hand sizes comfortably. Good stuff, that's for sure. And finally, we present the gold medal winner and the title of the best overall pickleball paddle in 2024, the CRBN Pickleball Power Series. This paddle is designed for elite players seeking more power and is made from durable, high-performance carbon fiber. It's built to last and shine with no expenses spared, making it the top power-focused paddle available. The CRBN Power Series offers a perfect balance of durability, touch, and power, allowing for aggressive play on the courts. One noticeable feature is its slightly shorter handle, which introduces more surface area compared to previous models, making it suitable for a wider range of players. The compact handle, closer to 5.7 inches, might not sound like a big deal, but it offers a significant difference in feel and control. Much like the Double Black Diamond, the CRBN-3X delivers power, spin, and control. It sharpens your game with a softer feel and a larger sweet spot. For those who seek stability and less popping, the CRBN-3X is a fantastic alternative. Intermediate players will find it beneficial, but it's packed with enough power and spin to satisfy advanced players with a skill level of 4.0 and above. The CRBN-3X feels solid and premium, featuring a sleek, modern black carbon fiber design. It's well built and hard to fault, hitting hard, spinning efficiently, and offering enough control for an all-around game. This paddle also has injected foam around the edges and through the handle, adding stability, eliminating vibration, and greatly expanding the sweet spot. This results in improved shot consistency no matter where you hit the ball. Overall, this model offers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.